Hey guys, this is how to fix Uber driver app. So guys, I'm going to show you multiple solutions. So just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store and now just simply tap on the search button at the bottom. And now from here at the top, just simply tap on the search bar and search for the Uber driver application. And now just simply tap on the app. And now when there is an update, you should be able to see the update over here. And another thing that you might want to consider is just simply tap on the three dots at the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. So guys, the first solution will be making sure that you have the latest version. And now if it still doesn't fix the issue, just simply go to the settings. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find Uber over here. From here, once you try to find Uber, just simply tap on the application over here. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the storage and now go for clear cache at the bottom. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix it. Now, another option that you have is just simply tap on the back on the top left and just simply tap on uninstall over here. And now just simply tap on OK. And from this solution, just simply reinstall it back again into your device and just simply go to the Google Play Store, and after that just simply tap on install again and you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. See ya.